Hello my dear friends and welcome to another episode of Darko 2. Maybe you remember my latest video of ASAJJ VENTRESS unboxing this 1/6 scale statue of Gentle Giant. Because this video was a huge and breathtaking success, I had maybe 20 views in 20 hours, not bad. So that motivates me to do another video about ASAJJ VENTRESS, and this time I want to make a sexy drawing. So many people are telling me, oh, it's so hard to draw. How can you draw? How can I learn to draw? It's very easy. I will show you. First, you need a paper. This normal copy paper for putting in the copy machine and copying some stuff. Then you need a pencil. The pencil, it would be good when it was sharp. So if you want to sharpen the pencil, then you can use this sharpener. Something like this. You put the pencil here inside and then turning, and then he comes out sharp. Do you know that? So now let's make some easy lines. So first you have to think about the pose. What pose do you want to do? Then make a straight line, then a circle, and then here circle, and here some square, and then another square. So simplifying the body parts, mate. And then a little bit more lines, a line here for the arm, and then for the arm joints, these little circles, another line, and here some other lines, and everything is simple, you see. Just simplifying everything. So my dear friends, if you can draw something like this, you can draw everything. I must say I cheated a little bit because I have used this as a reference picture. But using reference pictures is very good, so you can learn very well and fast. But I don't want to do the same like this. I want to do something in my style. So let's continue. So now my dear friends, just make some couple details like the eyes and the nose and the lips and those tattoos in her face, and of course the hoodie and those amazing and beautiful lightsabers. Don't forget to make all the details in the hands and the fingers. So this was not a perfect filming because sometimes I went down the camera and the camera didn't catch what I was drawing. Now I take the MICRONPEN, and with the MICRONPEN you can make this amazing and sexy lines. And now I'm sorry, now with a little bit of Copic markers, put in the colors, a little bit red and blue and violet and black, and oh yeah, buddy. So my dear friends, the artwork is done, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I make the revealing, listen carefully. Hit that subscribe button, my dear friends. If you like this video until now, then like this shit. And I'm making a giveaway. I'm giving away this masterpiece here behind me. You will see in a couple of seconds. And you have to go to my Twitter, Darko Tattoo, and there you can see how you can win this piece, my dear friends. So now, the revealing. Because I always have problems with the music. I'm searching for license-free music, but then it's not license-free when I'm using it, and then I can't monetize. That's why I sing something. I sing something for you. Boobies, boobies, dun 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 dun. I am your father.